and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making an Easter bunny fruit platter. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. So if you're Greek or if you're Orthodox, then our Easter is a little bit late this year. So it's actually going to be tomorrow, May 2nd. But whether this is for American Easter, Greek Easter, or just you want to make a fun little fruit platter, we're going to be making an Easter bunny fruit platter today. So you can use whatever fruit that you want, whatever inspo that you want. Maybe you want to make an egg instead and make a little design or whatever you want to do. I just thought this was going to be an easy, fun little treat to give everybody that's way healthier than, you know, I don't know, a cake or something. And it's going to be really fun to get the kids checking it out and get them really excited. So all I'm going to be using, I went to the dollar store and just got just a cheap little Tupperware just so that I can transport this because I'm going to my godfather's tomorrow. Shout out to him. This is for him and his kids. So just so I can transport this easily, and it's going to help me to have like a little bit of a lip up here so that everything stays intact how I want it. So that's all I have here. Now I have some extra blueberries, just mixed fruit here. So we have some strawberries, more blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and pineapple. So of course the pineapple is going to be like the bunny's face. We're going to use the blueberries for, you know, the eyes and around the bunny and different things like that. I will show you a picture on the screen so you can see exactly the look that I'm going for. So you can see it's gonna maybe look something like this. I don't know, we'll see. But you just have all your different fruit. Oh, I forgot. Let me actually go grab a banana because I'm gonna need a banana too because I think that's what I'm gonna use for his little whiskers. Okay, we have a banana too. So that's all we're trying to do here. This is going to be really fun and enjoyable to make and just a nice little activity. If you have little ones and you want to get them involved, maybe you can have them make little egg shapes or just whatever they want. Just get them involved. It'll be fun for everybody. So I think maybe I'm going to have a camera. I don't know. You guys can look at me this way. I'll have a camera maybe doing an overview so you can see kind of where I'm at with this. I'm just going to be looking at the picture and just trying to make this as close as I can to it. So, wish me luck. So I'm going to do the bunny first because I feel like maybe that's going to be the easiest to kind of make sure I get an actual bunny shape in here and then I can fill up the rest of the container afterwards. So let's grab some of our pineapple. I'm looking at the pineapple and I'm trying to think maybe I want to make the pieces a little bit smaller. I'll have to see. So this is the fun part. Okay, so let's give this a go. I'm just gonna start kind of mapping out with the bunny ears maybe first. Maybe that's what's easiest, and then we'll go from there. Oh man, I'm a mess. I need my kiwi. Where's my kiwi? Okay, we have our kiwi. Do something like this. Make our little ears. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now I definitely got way more pineapple than anything else because clearly the main thing on here is going to be your bunny. Okay, let's see where I want the bottom of this to be. Alright, so I think we have our little base to start with. Now I'm going to start filling in the cheeks here of our bunny just to see, you know, where we're at. Now we're not going to fill in our bunny ears with this. I mean, you can, but if you want to do it like the photo, we're going to be using strawberries and kiwi. Just kind of like a little puzzle piece going on here now once you get, you know, your basic shape going. Well, I'm happy I got the extra container of pineapple because we already went through this whole thing. Okay, now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some more pineapple just so that you don't see the underneath of it, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to add some more pineapple just so that you don't see, like I said, the bottom of this container. You just see the fruit. So everything is nice and yellow. Now feel free, use whatever kind of fruit that you guys want. If you guys want to use pineapple, use pineapple. If you want to use honeydew, if you want to use cantaloupe, whatever you want to use. I was gonna bring a fruit platter over, but then I saw the fruit platters in the store and I was just not pleased. I thought they were just kind of like lame, and I'm not lame or basic. So I was like, you know what? I remember seeing a long time ago on like Pinterest or something, like a fruit platter that looked like a bunny. So I was like, let me see if I can make something like that. And that's what we're doing here today. So, okay, I think this is good. We have a nice bunny face going on here. Now I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more by the ears just to kind of fill in any gaps that we might have. This will all be seamless once all of the fruit is in there and nothing's gonna move. But I do recommend using a container or something like this to kind of keep everything in place, especially if you're going somewhere and you're gonna be transporting it. You definitely wanna make sure nothing's moving. How cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put down the pineapple for now, and we're going to move on to, let's do the kiwi. So we can fill in the bunny ears a little bit. So we're gonna do the kiwi and strawberries. Now, I got the one that is, like I said, the mixed berries. So I'm just gonna kind of pick the strawberries out of there, but you guys can do whatever it is you want. See how many we're gonna need. All right, now let's move on to the mixed berries. All right, so I need to grab some strawberries. So let's dig in for some strawberries. I'm gonna add these to our bunny ears. I think I'm gonna slice these. They're a little bit too fat for my liking, so I'm gonna slice them up here and then layer them that way. And like I said, this is gonna be way easier once everything's done. Nothing's gonna be really moving once everything's nice and secure in here. All right. And you can eat some fruit on the way. Just make sure that you're keeping your nice bunny ear shape on the way and things don't kind of, you know, start flopping around everywhere. So we have our nice bunny shape here. Now I'm gonna add in some blueberries on the side, just so I don't have to even think about these ears on the side. Kind of start to get everything nice and settled. Now the blueberries are nice here because they're small, so you can compact them into these little areas. Then you want to grab maybe the biggest raspberry you can find for our little nose. How cute is that? Then we need some more blueberries for our eyes. Or maybe in this case we'll use blackberries. We haven't used blackberries yet. Maybe we'll try and make little eyes. Then we're going to add raspberries and strawberries to the bottom. Look at that, I didn't even need that other case of the blueberries, but it's okay. I'll eat them. Alright, so we're just going to take our banana. I guess we'll cut off the tip. And then we'll make some little buck teeth here. Man, these teeth don't want to work for me. Maybe I'll do them a little differently. Maybe I'll slice this in half this way. Make teeth like that. Oh, I forgot a banana. Maybe I want another pineapple. Make this like flat in there. And then I'll put our little teeth right on top, maybe. Yeah, way better. All right, now let's do our little whiskers. Let's see how we're gonna do these. So I need like 6 little whiskers. So let's cut our banana in half. Now, you don't want a super soft banana, so you want it to be a little bit on the harder side so that this doesn't just turn into mush when you're doing it. So let's try and make our little whiskers here. If you have to use toothpicks to make sure your little elements are in place, go ahead and do that. It's not a big deal. Okay, you guys, it came out so good. Is it exactly like the picture? No, but it's fine. Oh no, am I gonna ruin it by showing you guys? Ah. How cute is that? I'm so excited to show this to everybody. You guys, this was so fun to make. I am so excited for everybody to see this. I can't try it now because this is coming with me tomorrow for Easter, but it's super fun. I hope you guys make something just like this at home. Tell me whatever shapes you decide to make. I think this would be super cute even, for a Valentine's Day. Any holiday, you can do this with anything, with fruits, with vegetables. I'm excited to start doing this with everything myself. Super cute and fun way to bring over a dessert that's a little bit on the healthier side. You can customize this however you want. Use whatever fruits you want. Use vegetables, use cheese, use whatever. I'm so excited. This came out so cute. The kids are going to love it. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you would make something like this, if you want me to kind of do more creative videos like this. It was super fun. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to just head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.